fun for you there. There's only a little bit right there.
Okay, that's fine.
Yep, just right there. So, and like I said too, and you already know this, is that I'm not a huge fan of adjusting the neck. It's like,
Right.
it doesn't want to go on the first try, leave it alone.
Okay.
Okay?
Perfect.
So just gonna go to the side here. All the way over. One more breath in. All the way out. Let it go, let it go. Good. See, I was like, nope, don't want to do this. Right?
Yeah.
Not a problem. Okay. One more breath in. All the way out. Just gonna right up in here. Let it go. Not too bad. Okay. And then we're gonna slide down a little bit so your shoulders are just on the table there.